Hey guys, Tracy here, and in this video I just wanted to quickly show you how you can create custom thumbnails, kind of like you see on our page right here, for your YouTube channel. I know for me, for a while, we didn't have access to this feature for custom thumbnails, and I didn't actually know that I could have activated it all along. I'm not sure if every new profile now is able to do it, but from what I've been seeing, it seems like a lot of people who are creating new YouTube accounts are actually being able to get access to this feature right away, but there might be some things that you need to do in order to be able to use that function. And also I'm just going to show you how I quickly make these thumbnails so you don't have to worry about being too technical or anything like that. It's actually really simple to make these, and most people will have access to PowerPoint, which is what I use to make these thumbnails. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you can have custom thumbnails. So if you are already aware that you can do custom thumbnails, then just bear with me for a minute while I show people who don't have access how they can do it. First thing you want to do is go up to the top of your YouTube channel. I'm just logged in right now. You go to YouTube settings, and then when you're on overview, what you want to do is click view additional features, and then you're going to see down here it says custom thumbnails. So if you are able to have them already, it'll be marked green. If for some reason yours is not marked green, or it says that you're not able to use this feature yet, then the way mine actually said that for a long time, but the whole time I was actually able to make this feature work, I just didn't know how. So if yours says that you can't use this feature, all that I had to do was where it says monetization, I actually had this turned off. So what you do is click view monetization settings, and then you would enable monetization. And then I disabled it after I enabled it. All you have to do is enable it to get access to custom thumbnails. You might have to log out and log back in after you enable monetization, but that is all I had to do. As I enabled monetization, I refreshed my page and I was able to start adding custom thumbnails. And because I don't want to have ads on my videos, that's not the purpose of my videos, I came back in and disabled ads, but I'm still able to have custom thumbnails. So if you can't get access to them right now, go ahead and try that. If not, get in touch with me and I might have some other ideas on how you can start getting custom thumbnails for your account. So with that, let me just get into quickly how I create these custom thumbnails. Whenever I upload a video, I will either take a snapshot of myself wherever I'm taking the video, like I'll just take a picture with my webcam right there. So you can do different poses if you want, you can do things like that. Or another thing you can do, show you this real quickly. Just loading a little slow. Another thing you can do is you can play through until you get a pose or an expression that you want as your thumbnail. And what I use is a free software called Jing. And let me just show you real quickly. You just go to jing.com, I believe. You know what, actually, just what you want to do is just Google Jing. That'll probably be the easiest way. I don't think that's actually the domain. So Jing, when you Google it, you're going to see Jing screencast software. You can just go ahead and click right here, download Jing for free. You can go to the website as well if you want. It's totally up to you. It's free to just do snapshots and I think maybe 30-second videos. That's all free, so you just go ahead and click free download, and then that will download the software. And then you're just going to have it run once you download it. And then I take Jing, which what happens is Jing will end up coming to the, let me stretch my screen a little. Oh, Jing will end up being, it'll show on the side, or you're looking for this little yellow circle. It's going to either be on the side of your computer, at the bottom of your computer. Just look around for it. If not, just go down to your taskbar on the bottom, and you should be able to see it, like where the clock shows and where your Wi-Fi icons show and all that. And then all you have to do is click on capture, and you're going to get this little crosshair type thing, and you just put it in the corner, line it up wherever you want to start snipping out that picture, and you just stretch it like this. You can even resize it once you set up a box, so you can even move it around, so that if you didn't do it in the right place, you can always move it around and resize it however you want. And then you're just going to click capture image, and then from here what I do is I just click copy, and I open up PowerPoint, I paste that picture in, and then all I do is I insert a text box. I'll insert it on the picture. I'll put something about whatever the video is about. So this one was about MLM leaders. You know, you can put a more catchy title. I'm just doing this for an example. And I make it big so people can see it. This is basically so when people are seeing your thumbnail around Google and YouTube, yours will hopefully stand out from some of the other ones. And then you can, you know, use some cool fonts if you want to change up the font a little. You can change up the colors. You just go to format, shape fill. I like to fill in the shape so that people can, you know, that I think it stands out from your background more if you do a different color shape. You can even do different effects on the shape, like gradient, things like that. And then you just fill in the font. So as you can see, it's just super simple. You get creative with it. Just do it, you know, however you want to do it, however your creativity flows. I just wanted to basically show you this is all I do. I just use PowerPoint. You can put pictures on the thumbnail. You know, you can add pictures to this. You can put the font in different places. However you know, feel comfortable doing it. Sometimes I'll put the words on bottom. Things like that, just to give you an idea. And then once you get a thumbnail that you're happy with, you know, don't spend too much time doing this. This is just basically to get something that stands out on your thumbnail so that you stand out from the crowd, you stand out from the other listings. Then I just go back to the Jing, hit capture again, and then I simply just recapture it. But this time what I do, instead of doing copy, I'll click capture image, and right here where it says name, I'll save it as whatever my keyword is and click save. It'll save it, and then you just upload it to your custom thumbnail setting on YouTube. So for example, when you're in, let me just go back, when you're in the info settings on YouTube, right here is where you'll have your 3 defaults, and then right here it'll be where your custom thumbnail is. So all you'd have to do is click change image, and it's going to bring up your computer files, and wherever you saved it from, just upload it from there. That's how simple this is. You don't have to be tech savvy to do this. It's really simple, and it's just a cool way to make your videos stand out a little bit more from all of the other videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure that if you want more helpful tips for internet marketing, online marketing, subscribe to our channel and check out our blog in the link below. Thanks for watching.